Team, can you give me your name and where you're from?
Austin Sheffield from Dallas, Texas.
And I'm Emma.
It's nice to meet you. This is Emma. This is not your first year, correct?
No, this is my third year driving, fourth year on the team.
Perfect, but this is your first year, correct?
First year driving, second year on the team.
Perfect. You're going to love it. This is going to be so much fun. Now, can you talk to me about your wheels? These are very interesting.
These are our fourth year doing cardboard wheels. We do it by layering 7 layers worth of cardboard together with plywood inserts to help with traction and stability, and then we coat it in bed liner support.
Ingenious. I love it. What kind of outreach or educational events did you hold prior to coming to the challenge today?
Our school hosts the FLL championship for the Dallas area, and we all volunteered there and helped set up and were the judges and everything there, as well as we went to our kindergarten class and spoke to them about the Rover and let them see everything.
Excellent. Now, is there anybody here, a sponsor or a coach or anyone that you'd like to thank?
I would like to thank KSA, Polaris Machine Group, and Trucks Outfitters.
And our school leaders.
Yep, and our school administration.
Thank you. Well, good luck today. I hope it goes well. Jenna, back to you.
Very cool. Great shot. 2 teams on the course right there. Team number 74 and the Dallas Parish Episcopal team. Again, we're having a great day here at the U.S. Space and Rocket Center. I encourage everybody to get a chance to come out here all day today. We'll be here till the evening, till around 5 o'clock or so, as well as tomorrow, 8 to 4, 8 to 5. Weather's doing well for us. We're enjoying it. So everybody come on out and hang out with us at the U.S. Space and Rocket Center and celebrate our 25th year of the Human Exploration Rover Challenge. We've got high school teams, university teams, all over the place, all over the parking lot. Everybody's here talking about science, technology, engineering, and math, and talking about the Apollo anniversary, talking about the Space Launch System, and all our deep space exploration missions for the agency. So joined here in the broadcast booth by one of the Dallas Parish Episcopal teams as we get a shot right here as that team takes off. Team number 2? It's the second team, right? Yeah, all right, so great shot right here. This is a bit of the tandem thing. So for our viewers who are watching, every Rover has to have a male and a female driver. And the seating arrangement can be side by side, just like this. They can be like linear, where they're back to back. They can actually be linear, but facing forward. And so we'll get into some of these details on the Rover changes with our guest who's joining us right now. First, tell me your name and what year you are in school.
I'm Soham Kulkarni, and I'm a junior.
And this is the Dallas Parish Episcopal. They come every year. How many years have you been part of their Rover team?
This is my third year.
And have you been a driver, or have you been an engineer behind the scenes?
I've always been an engineer, never driven.
Have you driven it like around the parking lot?
Yeah, I did some of the testing, and we ended up driving it from the pit over to here, so our drivers didn't get tired.
All right, so you have 2 Rovers. Any Rovers have any nicknames by chance?
Yeah, we named one of them Woody and the other Jesse.
All right, so the great thing about Rover Challenge, and a lot of our viewers may just be catching up to this element, one is the wheels cannot be bought. You can't go buy a wheel at a commercial store or any place on the market shelf. So you have to make your own wheels. So people 3D print them, they manufacture them, they make them out of metal, and they weld. So we talked a little bit about yours is different layers of cardboard put together.
Yeah, so we, for the past several years, been doing a cardboard wheel, and last year we actually added plywood to that. Our designer about 3-4 years ago saw a cardboard Lexus, and from that we decided that if we could make a Lexus out of cardboard, we could make our wheels out of that. So we put together 7 layers of cardboard and plywood, glue it together, and coat it with truck bed liner for strength and water resistance.
And the water resistance, yeah, that's a good point. You got cardboard, so yeah, spray on black liner makes it kind of a texture feel to it, makes it a little stronger and durable. And so, what's the weight of this Rover?
This one ended up at 212 pounds.
Oh, not bad. So the cardboard makes it lighter. I was curious, I wasn't sure. It sounds like there's a lot of metal framing in the suspension.
Yeah, there actually isn't any suspension. It's just a stiff frame, but there's quite a lot of metal reinforcing that front area because the beams are so close together. There's quite a lot of torque on the joints between those beams and the wheels. So we had to reinforce that a couple times to make sure that it wouldn't snap or pull apart.
And what kind of gear ratio are y'all wanting to use or running on this Rover?
We have 3 gears. The bottom one's at about 0.56. The middle one is about a 0.7, and the top one is just over 1.0.
Are any of these Rovers from last year, are they brand new Rovers?
They're both completely brand new. The design always takes some inspiration from past successes, and we always learn some lessons from past failures, but the design was completely made this year again, and all of it was built from scratch as well.
All right, everything built from scratch. I like the idea, as we see team number 43, Dallas Parish Episcopal, taking one of my favorite obstacles, the transverse incline. You're making everything from scratch, but it's two brand new Rovers. Even though you came last year with two Rovers, where are the, actually, I'll ask this question in a second as we go back to the start-finish line and meet our next roving team.
Yes, I'm here with the team from Alabama State University. Can you tell me your names and what you're majoring in?
My name is Wesley Fountain. I'm a mathematics major.
My name is Anupa Kimura and I'm pre-biology major.
Very good. And this is not your first year here, correct?
It's not our first year. We've been here last year, but we couldn't make it to the competition. Our axle broke, so hopefully, well, we did better this year, so.
Absolutely, and we're hoping for even better results this year, aren't we? Okay, is there anything about your Rover in particular, like what's your favorite part of your Rover?
I would say our fiberglass wheels, our fiberglass coating. It's kind of, I haven't really seen too many other people with it, and I think since we've started doing it, people have been curious as to what it is, and they've been asking.
Very good. And how did you train to drive this today?
Well, we practiced for some time. We worked out for a couple of months, so I think we're ready.
All right, very good. Now, is there any coach or sponsors or anybody back at home that you'd like to thank?
We would like to especially thank Dr. Jones, who helped us through this, and, well, ASU team.
And robotics. Everyone at ASU Robotics.
Perfect. Well, good luck. I hope it goes well today. Back to you.
Hey, thanks, Bob Joe. We appreciate it. So we're still here, joined in the broadcast booth with one of the members of the Dallas Parish Episcopal team. Thanks for coming out from Texas. Like your shirts, don't mess with Texas. I actually lived in Texas and worked at the Johnson Space Center for several years. And so we were just talking about how you guys bring two Rovers every year. And these are two brand new Rovers, ladies and gentlemen. So that begs the question, where are the Rovers at from last year?
One of the Rovers we have last year is actually in the Parish Museum in Dallas. They offered at the beginning of the most recent school year to take it, put on an exhibition for 1 year. So we all got to go down to the Parish, see it get put up, and we've visited a couple times. It's still up. Lots of people are really interested in it.
All right, so as team number 68, Alabama State, gets off the starting finish line, we've got this double shot here where you've got Alabama State starting, and then we have the Dallas Parish Episcopal team just crossing the finish line right now here behind us at the broadcast booth. Team number 43 completed, looked well, did a good job. I know you guys, real quickly before you leave, tell us a little bit about your sponsors.
We've been helped a lot by KS Analytics, Polaris Group, and also by Trucks Outfitters. And lastly, we just want to give a shout out to the kindergarten class at Parish. You guys were great and a lot of fun when we came and visited.
Thanks, sir. Appreciate it. Yeah, I got a sticker for you. Hold on. It's right here. Actually, it's right here. Celebrating the Apollo anniversary. Thanks for joining. Good luck. We'll talk to you again tomorrow. Wonderful. That was a great interview. I enjoyed it. Having him here. Really cool to hear how their other